wanted to share my experience so far with my GreenStalk planter. I planted it exactly 3 weeks ago, and some things I did from starts, and then some things I actually added in later after I realized I had already put seeds in. But it is a big, it's going to be just kind of an experiment. So I have a few different types of tomatoes. I have harvested a few different types of strawberries. We have some peas, more strawberries. I do have a few cucumbers. They were actually a little bit slow to start. Peppers, and they actually have a few little baby peppers in there. And I did not label my seeds, but I did some, let's see, bachelor's buttons, calendula, lettuce, plenty of lettuce, and onions, which I think those are some onions in there with my tomato. So I'll have to kind of take things apart a little bit, but I have some, let's see, that one, Zephyr squash. This one's pretty big. That's a buttercup winter squash that I started. More peppers, patio tomato, and then these were super cool. I bought these with the GreenStalk planter, and they're supports for anything that kind of vines out your tomatoes, the squash, the peas. So I might actually do a video on how I put those together. They're snapped together pretty easy, and then it's pretty easy to water. You just fill the top with the hose, and I do it until the water runs out. But yeah, they're doing really good. I'm trying to remember. I think the Quinault strawberry was the sweetest so far. This one may have picked it too early because I figured it was white, but it was not sweet and pineapple-y like it was supposed to be. So I'll try that one again. But there's a quick little update. Don't mind the mess. I'm just kind of redoing stuff and putting away old seed starts and my propagation table, moving patio furniture. So that is it for now. We'll keep you updated and let you know what the heck else little seedlings pop up. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Love it so far, and hopefully we'll have a lot more harvest. Take care. Bye-bye.